Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money or crypto from Bybit to Trustwallet. So let's get into the video. So first thing, open up bybit.com and then log into your Bybit account. So once I've logged in here, so what we're going to do, we're going to click on this assets option here and then click on withdraw. So we'll get to this withdraw page here. So once you get to the withdraw page here, so what we're going to do now is simply select the currency that we're going to change, that we're going to send. So for example, if you're going to send money or USDT, for example USDT, I'll just select USDT, and then here select the on-chain withdrawal tab, and then for the wallet address is simply your Trust Wallet address, so the address of your Trust Wallet where you're going to send these to or withdraw these to. So just paste that in, and then here the chain type is the network, so choose the appropriate network. For example, here ECR20, so just choose the appropriate network for you, and then once you're done with that, then simply enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. So just do that, and then once you're done with that, so what this is going to do is type in the amount, and then all you have to do is hit on confirm, and then this will take you to the next page where you go to review your transaction and then complete it, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.